Yeah, so recording. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Official Anarchy, back with another video. Whew, it's been a while. I haven't posted in a while. You know, your boy's been really lazy. That's the only excuse I have. I've been lazy. I did record a video like a week or two ago. It was probably like 2 weeks ago, to be honest. And I just didn't feel like pulling it from the camera to my phone and then doing the little trimming and volume editing that I do. And really, there was no need for me not to do it. I didn't feel like doing the work. I'm to be honest. I didn't feel like doing the work of exporting stuff and importing and then uploading, and I don't know. Oh, anyways, enough about that. Your boy is on his way to church. Yeah. I'm going to my men's group to go see the boys, you know. I don't know. They're going to church and stuff, and they're going to this men's group. They're pretty cool. Not guys I probably normally would hang out with outside of church, but you know, they're all cool. And that's one thing they mentioned, was like, you know, this whole thing was just to get people that probably are very unlikely to hang out with each other, to hang out with each other. And that's cool. What else do I got going on? I don't know, my kids are in school. I don't do much other than go to work and shoot, I don't know, I just go to work and home. Started doing my little workouts, you know. I did it yesterday and Saturday. Well, Saturday my daughter made me do my workouts. Like she was like, Dad, you gotta stop being a big back and get in and do your exercises. And she like went on YouTube and pulled up an exercise video for me to do. I was like, alright. Guess that's one way to get incentivized, you know. And then yesterday I did some rowing on the rowing machine. Oh, and then Saturday as well, I did some exercises with my son, because he wanted to. He was like, hey, I'll do some exercise with you, Daddy. So we did some weighted squats, some Russian twists, and that was it. I think we just did 2 exercises because it was already late, and we needed to get ready for bed, and so we could get up early for church. And then Sunday I woke up early so that way, because my truck's tire had a flat, so I needed to get that patched. And then when I got home, I did about 20 minutes on the rowing machine. I did like 400 reps, I think it was. And that equated, well, I did like 20 minutes, and that came up to a little over 400 reps. And then I didn't do much else after that on Sunday, so I was a little sore from Saturday. Hopefully I can get home tonight and I'll do some exercise. Probably do like maybe the rowing machine, or maybe I'll probably just do some weights. I don't know. Today I actually was fasting today, so I'm doing great, I think. had nothing but water all day. And I don't know, I'm feeling pretty good. I didn't think I was worried that I might not be like be able to focus while riding. But you know, I actually feel pretty alert. Like it's honestly kind of weird to me. Like I feel more, even though I haven't eaten anything, and it's kind of like, normally I would feel a little like, I don't know, like out of it, I guess. So normally when I don't eat, but doing this fast and stuff, I actually feel like more, not necessarily completely more of my surroundings and stuff, but like I feel a bit more on point. But, well, at least with my riding. I don't know about everything else, but might just be because I'm like purposely trying to make sure I'm focused, because I was worried about being like out of it, I guess, already. But I made sure I drank a bunch of water so I wouldn't be dehydrated already either. And I don't know, feeling pretty good, man. Anyways, I think that will be it for now. I love you guys. You guys have a blessed one, and bye. Yeah.